Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post UTME past question 21. Copper metal dissolves in concentrated trioxynitrate 5 acid with the resultant evolution of A. CO2, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, SO2, we have NO2, and we have CO. So which of them is the correct options? Now copper is a metal that dissolves in an acid, and in this case this acid is trioxynitrate 5 acid HNO3. Copper dissolves in this acid to form copper 2 oxide, water, and nitrogen oxide. According to this equation of reaction, we have that HNO3 plus copper will give you CuO, copper 2 oxide, plus H2O plus an oxide of nitrogen, which is NO2. So the question is saying dissolves to the evolution of what? Now the only substance, now these are the products. We have copper 2 oxide, we have water, and we have NO2. The only one that is actually found amongst our options is option C. Option C, NO2 is the correct answer. NO2 will be evolved when copper dissolves in concentrated trioxynitrate 5 acid. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.